Part 84 to Chapter 3. A certain great man who esteemed Jalal was nevertheless shocked that he should, with all his learning and piety, sanction the use of music and dancing. He had occasion to visit Jalal, who at once addressed him as follows: "It is an axiom in the sacred canons that a Muslim, if I'm going to be careful not to say the Z because it's Muslim, and with the Z it would mean something different. But anyways, if hard pressed and in danger of death, may eat of carrion and other forbidden foods, so that the life of a man may not be sacrificed. This rule is admitted and approved by all the authorities of the law. Now we men of God are exactly in that position of extreme danger to our lives, and from that danger there is no escape, save by song, by music, and by the dance. Otherwise, through the awful majesty of divine manifestations, the bodies of the saints would melt away as wax and disappear like snow under the beams of a July sun. The personage thus addressed was so struck by the earnestness of Jalal's matter and cogency of his reasoning that he became convinced, and thenceforward was a defender and upholder of Jalal's institutions, so that these formed, as it were, the very nourishment of his heart. Many of the learned followed his example and joined themselves to Jalal's followers and disciples. The beams of a July sun. So forms that help you endure. And let that be a lesson to, it's like if you want to do extra, maybe you can't take all the kneeling, or maybe you can't take all that, but you do, some form that you can withstand. Be cooked in one way, but don't burn out.